Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use MetaMask for airdrops. First, ensure you have the official MetaMask wallet installed as a browser extension or mobile application. This essential tool acts as your gateway to the decentralized web, allowing you to securely manage your digital assets. Understanding its core functions is the crucial first step to participating in various token distributions and maximizing your potential for receiving free cryptocurrency. Let's get started. Setting up your MetaMask wallet correctly is paramount for security and functionality. After installation, you will either create a new wallet or import an existing one using your secret recovery phrase. Remember, this 12-word phrase is your master key. Keep it absolutely private and stored offline. Finally, fund your wallet with a small amount of the native blockchain token, like Ether for Ethereum, to cover transaction fees. This prepares you for seamless interaction. To increase your chances for airdrops, actively engage with various decentralized applications, or dApps. Connect your MetaMask wallet to different protocols and perform meaningful transactions. This could involve swapping tokens on a decentralized exchange, providing liquidity to a pool, or even staking your assets. Consistent interaction over several weeks or months often signals genuine user activity, which many projects consider when determining airdrop eligibility. Explore and participate thoughtfully. Once an airdrop is announced, carefully monitor official project channels for eligibility criteria and claiming instructions. It is absolutely critical to verify the authenticity of any claim links to protect yourself from phishing scams. Only connect your MetaMask wallet to official portals. After connecting, approve the transaction to claim your tokens. Finally, review your MetaMask wallet to confirm the successful receipt of your new assets. Always prioritize security throughout this process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.